Hey guys, I've done the flying island waterfall. Sorry about the first video. I actually my plane crashed and my camera gone. So I made it off camera and this is what it looks like. It's just like a waterfall coming from an island which is floating. And it's like I've taken some blocks down and made here like this. So when you're far away, it's like the earth, from the earth to really this have come. And the both side mountains, I take it away. It was just supporters when it was built, and I added a pond, and from the pond the waterfall is coming and some flowers. I made it standing whole night. If you like this, just say it. And I have not done everything because I want to do something with you guys. And now we are going to make the tree at the end like this. I will be making a tree which is going to be like this. Don't worry, I'm going to make it just as well. I did it in my tutorial video of making trees. You guys will be saying no, it was very bad, the tutorial video. Some of them, I am not meaning everyone, some are there which don't like my video. And I'm almost making it nice. Because let me finish this. Oh, sorry about the ads again. The ads are very
Introducing
in this one. I don't like this ad that much. Because of this, my whole game is crashing. But I'm doing it for you guys. Stop. I am not giving away anything. So don't expect me to give anything to my subscribers because I'm not that much rich. I don't have that much money and I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just a YouTuber. And I'm new at YouTube, so don't me. And when I'm good at YouTube, I'll think of giving away something which is only seen in my country. If you guys are from my country, you won't think it's nice. It will just think like, oh, that's already there. And I am going to give away which is there in only India. But I'm not giving away very soon. And this is what the finished product look like. And if you like it, just say thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, sorry about that. My sister just came in.